Welcome to Elysian Minds. Tap I'm a kid. Type your username and a secret password, and you're in. This is your dashboard. That's your level, your XP bar filling up like a superhero meter. And this is your streak, the flame. Remember the flame. Down here, your inventory, the shop, and your coach. Atlas and Nova, they read every lesson out loud. And this is the leaderboard. Every kid playing right here. XP, rank, badges, streaks, bragging rights. The more you play, the higher you win. Think you can beat your friends? Prove it. Oh, and this little guy? That's you, your avatar. Swag it out however you want. New hair, wild outfits, full-on costumes, all paid for with the coins you earn. This is home base. Every single day, you get 3 super quick quests: Move and Groove, Breathe Work, and Mantra. Tap Start, do the thing. Hit Mark is complete. 20 XP each, and 30 for your last one of the day. That's basically a bonus for not giving up. Okay, now for the good stuff. Topics, then a chapter, then a lesson, like a treasure map. Open it, choose your lesson, and solve it. Answer one correctly, and boom! Every single question pays you. XP that levels you up, and coins buy you stuff. Feel stuck? Click the Show Answer button. It'll cost you 15 coins, but guess what? That step then pays you nothing. So try it yourself first. Tap the Griffin, ask it literally anything. That's 20 coins a message. And now, the best thing in this whole game, your streak. Day 1, 15 coins. Day 3, a free potion. Day 7, a legendary costume. Miss a day? Don't panic. A shield's got your back. You get 1 free every 5 days. But miss more days than you've got shields, and poof, back to day 1. All of it gone. So, quests give you XP. Lessons give you XP and coins. And your streak. That gives you the big stuff. Do your quests, do 1 lesson, and keep the flame alive. See you tomorrow!